Let's take a look at looping over items this way in the editor. In this program, we're going to draw concentric circles to the canvas using color names found in a list. To start, let's write a function that will draw a filled-in circle using a color and radius given as parameters. I'll start by defining my function, drawCircle, and it's going to take a circle color and a radius value. Remember that anytime we need to use a color variable, we can't just use the word color because that is the name of the color command. So instead we'll use circle color. Okay, let's write this function. We'll set the color to the circle color. We'll fill it in. We'll draw the circle using the radius value and we'll end the fill. Let's see how that looks. Oh, I forgot, nothing will actually happen if I don't call my function. So let's add a sample call. Draw circle, and we'll use the color red and the value 50. Need to make sure all of my values are spelled correctly. Awesome. Okay, I want the circle drawn in the center of the canvas. So to do this, I need Tracy to draw the circle when she is one radius value below the center of the circle. I can use the set y command and just tell her to go to negative the radius before she draws the circle, which means if the radius is 50, like in our sample, she will set her y location to negative 50, which will be one radius value below the center of the circle. So let's see if that works. Great. Okay, now I want to use a list that holds different color values and draw the circle using these colors. So before my program commands, I'll write colors equals, and we'll give it red, blue, and yellow. Now I want to loop through this list and call the drawCircle function once for each color name. I can use a loop that will access each item by writing for color choice in colors, and inside I want the argument in my function call to be color choice. So I'll use this instead of red, I want color choice to be given. Let's see if that works. Okay, it is working, but I need the circles to be different sizes or you're only going to be able to see the last circle drawn. Let's think about the size circles I want. I know circles are drawn on top of each other, so I need to start with the biggest and end with the smallest. I want the biggest circle to fill the canvas, so that will have a radius of 200. And I want each consecutive circle to decrease in radius by 50 pixels. To do this, let's create a radius variable that will change as my loop progresses. So outside of the loop, I'll define the variable by writing radius equals 200. Then inside my loop, after the circle's drawn, I'll decrease this value by 50 using the shortcut operator. So radius minus equals 50. The last thing I need to do is use this variable inside my function call. So I'll change that to radius. Let's see if that works. Great. Now it's your turn to give this a try.